We at Morphido are very proud to be able to participate in the Atmanirbharta mission of our defense ecosystem. We have successfully developed and delivered fruits and vegetable logistics container for high altitude regions like Siachen for our soldiers, where the temperature is extreme. This container keeps its internal temperature in between 5 to 7 degrees Celsius for 48 to 72 hours, and it does not operate with any electronics inside. To take you through the problem statement that this innovation solves, I will take you through a video that became viral years back, and this video comes from our soldiers in Siachen.
फिर आलू बनाना है तो हमने कहा नहीं सकता है। सबसे पहले उसको पानी में उबालेगा, उसका बाद ही ये देख आलू, ये आलू टमाटर देख लो, और टमाटर ये है अदरक,
ये अदरक का देखो
पूरा होने का नाते
पूरा
हमें
बर्फ बन गया है।
प्याज भी खाना पड़ता है, लेकिन खा नहीं सकता है ये।
Last year we sent 10 containers in Siachen for field trial. After that we manufactured 100 containers. We have sent those as well on field, and now we are gearing up for commercializing the product for mass manufacturing. So we have gathered all the feedback, and we have incorporated everything, and our product is ready for mass manufacturing. Many thanks to DFRL for trusting us and believing on our capabilities to execute the project.
FFVLC is an advanced logistic container designed for high altitude application. Each section of its design has been optimized and multiple simulations have been performed to test its functionality in its operating conditions. Considering its application for high altitude areas, detailed research have been put to finalize its material, shape, size and form, and special considerations have been taken into account to work on its ergonomics.
After the first trial, the representative of DFRL DRDO was coordinating with the soldiers in Siachen for the testing. Happened to come down to Morphido, and we had a discussion. So during our discussion, he told us about how our soldiers have responded to the product, and he was mentioning that the soldier with whom he was coordinating, उन्होंने जब ये बॉक्स खोला और फ्रूट्स जो वेजिटेबल्स थे उसको उस कंडीशन में देखा, ही वाज सो हैप्पी, एंड ही ऑन द कॉल ही सेड द DFRL DRDO रिप्रेजेंटेटिव दैट सर मुझे ना सिर्फ मिर्च, टमाटर और आलू दे दो, मैं कहीं भी किसी भी हाइट तक चढ़ाई कर दूंगा. So this statement has been like, every time, even now when I'm talking about it, it gives me a goosebump. And ऐसे हैं हमारे soldiers, और उनके लिए हम कुछ कर पाए as an organization for the high altitude region is so satisfying, and we are very proud of it to be able to make it happen.